Hello YouTube. I found a different kind of charcoal. This is what I use for lump charcoal, okay? 8-pound bag, made in USA, okay? This is at a Menards store. They sell lumber, tools, big box store. I mean, it's known nationwide, Menards. This is what they have now, okay? This brand is what they have, and it's made by this company. It says on the back, I'll show it. Well, this is 8 pounds, and if you can get down here, this is 10 pounds. So I get 2 pounds more for the same price. This is around $6 a bag. This is a product from Mexico. I'm sure it's alright, but I wonder what kind of wood it is. You know, maybe some of you might have ideas, because they really don't say what type of wood it is. So let's pause and turn the bag around here. Okay, here's the old stuff. Made from oak, hickory, maple, and other hardwoods. Over here now, as we're looking, it just says made from premium hardwoods. I'm sure it's okay. I will open the bag and show you the difference here in a second, but this is where it comes from. Made in Mexico. So who knows? Be some mesquite or something in there. And also I'm going to be showing you the little mini light in this video, and then wood chips. The mini light is for my little fold up stove, which I have to see if I can find it. If I can't find it, you'll see me using it in a video this summer. So stay tuned for that. Okay, here's the old stuff. This is what you get. You might get a big giant piece like this, but it's very easy to break up. I mean, I'm going to be making a mess here, but see? That's not all the way charred, but it doesn't matter. I mean, the stuff works good. You might get it like this. And you'll get a lot of little pieces. You want a variety, because the little one's what catches on fire, and your big one's around the edge. Okay, so you like a variety. That's what I like about lump charcoal. It has way better flavor than them charcoal briquettes. There's a reason I will not use one name brand of charcoal briquettes, because I found OSB strand board in it. Charred. Well, we know that stuff's made with glue. Anyway, let's take you down to this stuff. Maybe this will help identify what it is. Anybody out there know what kind of tree maybe this was? Look at that big hunk. And you could break this stuff up. I mean, it's worth the hassle. I might be up a little too close. Let me back up a little bit. And here's some other pieces. I'm sure the way that could be like, I mean, it almost looks like the bark side right here, doesn't it? And you've got like this. Maybe that might help us. And a piece like this. So there's the bark. See it? There's the bark. Anybody tell me what kind of wood you think this was? I picked the best piece I could find there just by digging through it real quick. So we'll give you a good look. See if you can identify what type of wood you think this is. One more time on this one. So there you go on that. I'm sure I'll be happy using it. I trust the company. They made a switch. They could have switched because it's getting harder to get wood to make charcoal here, or it's cheaper to make it down there where you get 2 more pounds for the same price. I mean, so you gotta look at it that way too. You're getting a little more for your money. This runs like maybe on sale $5.88 or something a bag, right under $6 a bag. So I can possibly get through the summer with one bag, depends on how much I'm barbecuing. But I mostly use it in my little Acorn Junior, where you see me do burgers on my birthday. You know, that acorn reddish colored with the cast iron grill. Because it works so great. You get it down there in that bucket thing. I mean, it's just wonderful. I mean, I really love using this stuff. Okay, now let's go off to the mini light stuff. Okay, so this ain't too long a video. Okay, I don't normally recommend cooking on this. You probably heard me complain about it several times. I do not like stuff that has fluid in it because it's nasty. I really don't want to barbecue over it. But if I'm going to cook with a pan over it, okay, like say on this, we'll bring over this. This is my little stainless camp grill thing. I have a video on this. If you really can't find it, I will give you a link if you really want to look at it. They had 2 of these on Amazon. I bought this type. The only difference in one of them, they had like kind of a different ledge on it. Really handy. It's all fold up. At the end of the video, I'll show you unfolding it. That way you can stay tuned for the very end. Okay. I also got hickory chips. Move my lights around. These are like $3 a bag on sale. These are like $3 a bag. I always say I don't get paid to show these products. It's my money. These are great for starting. You can pour alcohol on them and put them in a pile on lump charcoal. Makes them tender. Like if you see me start my barbecue with a ferro rod, you'll get these burning. But I had fun taking a branch of wood and make little sticks in that video. I mean, that's fun to do. Get out the big ferro rod and do all that. But if I just want to get it going, I'll throw these down in the center, lump charcoal, pour some alcohol. You should use alcohol you can drink. Moonshine, Everclear, not promoting moonshine making, but you know what I mean. You should use something that you normally would drink for alcohol, just for safety. If you want to be real purist on starting your barbecue, you don't want to use charcoal lighter fluid. Use like moonshine. Everclear is not cheap. It's probably $20 for a fifth of it, but it'll last you a whole year if you're not drinking it. I mean, you use it for fuel, cleaning stuff. I mean, it's a good product to have in the shop for cleaning stuff, doing stuff with. Or if you play with them little alcohol stills. So it's worth your money to buy a fifth of Everclear and have it in the shop for stuff, for little projects and things. Of course, I clean with stuff with rubbing alcohol, which I don't recommend starting a fire with. If you ever see me do it, I still don't recommend it. But it does burn off quick. So that concludes what we've got here. We're not really going to take any pictures. You could pause and look at this stuff. I mean, I can hold this up. Wood chips are wood chips, but I really like these because they always have them. It only takes 12 of them over in the little barbecue. So we're going to pan back over here. If you still want to hang in here, we're going to keep going. And we'll pause. We'll get ready to rip this apart. I had to remember how it goes together. It's just so simple, though. We'll pause for a second. So thanks for watching. If you want to keep watching, I'll show you how this goes together. So stay tuned for that. Okay, we'll do it reverse. We'll put it back together. That's your little grate. Put your pan on. You got to kind of fidget with this. But if you look on this, you'll see where the holes are at. You can adjust the height you want this to be towards the grill. See how it is a further distance from here than to here? Depends what you're cooking. You can get up here and get real close, or you could be here. See, let's just imagine this pan is the other way. You can go like this and be further away. But this is how it goes together. It's really simple. Get your little grate here. We'll get that out of the way. You gotta fidget with it. I'm gonna fumble around folding it up. It only folds up one way. If you try to fold it up, see, it only folds up one way. So we'll show you here. We'll put this in here. I could be wrong. I'm just showing you it can be hard to do. I'm trying to think if this will fit in here or not. I don't think this will go in here when it's folded up. No. But it does have a pouch, so that doesn't matter. Like I said, I haven't used this thing in probably a couple of years. You just take it out. And you'll learn which way folds what way. I mean, you'll figure it out. You see, one way doesn't fold as good as the other way. Might not be on camera, but there you go. You just put this in here. Let's say we want to go real close to the top. really nice. I mean, these are only like 20 bucks. I mean, not everybody's made of money, but still. I've had fun with this. I've had $20 worth of fun with this a few times. I may cook some hot dogs on here. I probably could get 4 of them on here. Because you can't go this way, they'll fall through the crack. See? You're kind of limited on you if you got to put hot dogs on here. You'd have to go... You see what I mean? You'd have to go like this way. But it's great, my 6-inch cast iron skillet. And I have a big burger in the freezer. That thing's way over. I swear it's over. It's probably like a 3/4 pound of a burger before it's cooked. And it'll fit right in my 6-inch skillet. And I did it once before. So I'll fry it in a skillet. So it's not going to get super seared, but it will be fully cooked. And it's juices and stuff. So if I make a video of that, if it ever quits raining, it's so cloudy out. It's only 65 degrees in the shop this morning. The last couple days of May, and it's cold. I'm out here wearing sweatshirt. I'm going to be going back in the house after I'm done make this video. I'm not coming out unless it's for small projects. So if you stayed here for this long, thanks for watching. You got to see the little grill. And hopefully a nice day you'll see me fired up with the little charcoal briquettes over here. I use the propane torch to get them all lit at one time, so I have to put them in a stack. You know, like I said, it'll hold, I think, 12 of them. I'll get them all fired at the same time. Of course, I have this out of the way. So I'll get them all fired up. You can see can you see the color in this? Great. See that? It takes the heat really well. It's all stainless. See that? So and I've used it several times. Look in there. See how it never has burnt the bottom or really burnt that too bad? And I've used it several times with that charcoal just to burn it away. So that's how durable it is. It's not going to be destroyed like a piece of tin. So too long a video. I'm bored. I hope everybody else is bored. People that are stuck inside. I'm glad I got to go to the store. Everybody in the store has to wear a mask, employees and the customers, so you fit right in. When I went in, everybody's shopping's wearing a mask, everybody working's wearing a mask. So you don't feel weird out of place because you're the only guy with a mask on. So I went for it. Because I bought some new drill bits. That's coming up in another video. We yak too long, but it's a weekend video. I'm posting this as soon as I get in the house. Today is a Saturday. So this is the day I filmed it. I'll be posting as soon as it's ready. And I'm not even going to monetize it. This is just for my viewers. Don't have to put up with no advertising. If you see an ad, you let me know.